Let's see if Golconda Fort is actually worth visiting in 2026. So many people are waiting here, and I don't know whether the ticket counter is closed or not. Let's go and check it out. There is a e-ticket I just booked. Clap करो, sound आ जाएगा. उधर इधर. Hi guys. हेलो हैदराबाद.
हेलो हैदराबाद.
आप लोग कहाँ से?
आई एम फ्रॉम झारखंड.
झारखंड. ओ भाई लोग झारखंड से, हम बेंगलुरु से है.
ओके. बिहार से.
वो लोग भी बिहार. क्या हो गया भाई? सॉरी. हाँ. ओ उठना. ओ so there's a lifting competition happening. We'll see. We'll try. I'll try my best. कितना केजी है भाई?
250.
तो पे भाई वो डेडलिफ्ट को नहीं किया भाई मैंने.
बंद करके चालू करो.
चलो चलो. I'm just trying out my luck. I can't guarantee that I'll lift. नहीं भाई बहुत.
नेट को 100 सब्सक्राइबर आ मरते. कितना वेट है? 250. कपड़े को बीच में.
नहीं 250
भाई नहीं उठा है ना 100 रुपए.
chanceless. I give up. 250 kilos, it's very hard. Definitely I'll come back stronger. Before that I have to lift 250 kg of deadlift, then all this stuff. Felt little embarrassed, but that's okay. Always up for a challenges and fun. Look at this architect, beautiful. Climb karna abhi. Just few kilometers from city's traffic is Hyderabad's greatest landmark. Hi.
कौन सा स्टोरेज?
Water storage, bhai. Welcome to Golconda Fort, once the capital of powerful kingdom and home to some of the world's most famous diamonds. Oh. Guys, look what I found. This is where the king and queen used to take a dip. Just kidding. The climb isn't easy, but the view is worth every step. So let's keep climbing. Oh, this was swimming pool back then. This is pool number 2, the Daisy swimming pool. Swimming pool 2. This pool was permitted or accessible only for the Sainikas, which is all the soldiers and the servants. Guys, look at me. I'm just dripping. The climbing isn't easy. And the best part is I've come at 5:30. I think I made a very good decision coming so late, because usual plan was to come around 3 and definitely I would have got cooked. भाई उधर क्या है? हाँ jail is there. Definitely have to take a look. कौन सी jail है भाई? पूरा दिखा, पूरा jail. Security guys are just chilling. Oh, the jail name is Ramadas Prison. It is a solidly built rectangular building with only one entrance from its north. Originally planned to use as a storehouse, this building was converted into a prison during the region of Abul Hasan Qutb. Interesting. It has only one entrance and it is built in a triangle shape. So let's go. There's low light. I'll remove my shade. Oh. Very small prison. I think they would have removed all the cages. And this is serious architect. अंदर मत जाओ भाई, अरेस्ट करेंगे उधर. प्रेम कहानी आ जाओ. आप तो हाँ, मेरा नाम नहीं है, भैया का नाम है. Look at the fort map. Very nice. Guys, let me show you the top view. This looks very interesting. I don't know what is this.
ये भैया साउथ अफ्रीका सिपाही राजा साहब से थे, उन्हीं लोगों का बैरिक है.
Okay.
आप लोग बाहर कृपया करके जाइए, डैमेज पहले से है.
हाँ?
डैमेज है.
डैमेज हो गया?
कुछ नहीं. वीडियो मत बनाइए इसमें, आप लोग बाहर
नहीं गिरेगे भाई.
के अंदर नहीं जा सकते क्या?
वो मॉस्क है भाई. देखो वो suicide spot. That was the suicide spot. So many people used to go at that point and jump off. That is why they have put that. That is why they have put this stick. They should not go across over that.
Not pick point.
This is a noted point. Suicide spot. I'll just zoom in for you people. Take a look. That's all I can zoom in from my DJI Action 4. Yeah, but yes, that's the point. Look at this view. This is amazing. I think this is the exit. We'll come back later. First we will go at the top, then come back.
हेलो भाई
इधर से आप भाई हैदराबाद यूपी से
यूपी फिरोजाबाद जिला से आगरा के पास
आगरा मैं सोचा आप मिर्जापुर से भाई
चार मीनार जाएंगे
4 मिनट हो गया भाई मेरा
आप कहाँ से हैं?
बैंगलोर फिटेक्स फूडी इज वन मोर सब्सक्राइबर एडेड टू द लिस्ट
बोलो
हाँ आ गया वही
अभी शुरू किया है आपने क्या
हाँ 1 तो 3-4 महीने हो गया
तो ये वाला ब्लॉग डालोगे हमारा
हाँ डालेंगे ना
तो हम लोग आएंगे इसमें
आप सब्सक्राइब करेगा तो आप आएंगे बिल्कुल भाई मजा कर रहे हैं आप लोग भी आएंगे
तो सपोर्ट करो गाइस
भाई को सब्सक्राइब करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो,
Follow
आगे
करो।
तक ले जाओ वो।
थैंक यू भाई लोग तो श्योर यू आर भाई ये क्या है भाई आई थिंक दिस इज लॉड्ज फॉर ऑल द गेस्ट रूम्स नो yeah this is दरबार हॉल it seems so this is not lodge sorry this structure is located on the top of the outcrop and it is double stored building with open terrace and an audience hall called Diwani oh boss this is have you guys watched which is that Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone movie कौन सी movie है भाई याद नहीं है oh Deepika Padukone dances in that hall I think this is that hall हाँ ये ना भाई आपको याद है रणवीर सिंह और दीपिका पादुकोणे मूवी कौन सी मूवी है वो पता नहीं दीवानी कुछ डांस शूट इधर ही हो गया
दीवानी आम
नहीं भाई देखो दिस इज द हॉल this is where Ranveer Singh's and Deepika Padukone's one shoot happened so I'm gonna let you know guys just taking out the movie name no network here कुछ नहीं है भाई इधर this is the whoa look at this that is horse riding school this is the greenest part of the high-tech city let me give you a spin this is a place where they used to dance all the ministers king queen just to enjoy the show I'm just kidding guys relax I don't know the history you don't have to believe me just enjoy the view now I'll show you the city side
अब ब्लॉग आएगा पूरा बनेगा ठीक है
भाई लोग इधर ही है भाई
GoPro में
let's take a look so this is one side of the city this is the horse riding school and that is the cadet place the training the army training over there and that is the running track there's a athletic stadium this is nice this side of the city is nice guys I remembered now the movie name is Bajirao Mastani and the Deepika Padukone dance for the song name Diwani Mastani so in the movie you would have seen she danced in a indoor setup but in actual the dance took place in this place this is the exact hall the real dance happened Diwani Mastani in real this is the hall back then it was full covered and whatever I don't know now it is proper open put shamiana before ये पॉइंट ऊपर नहीं जा सकते उधर से जाना भाई नहीं वो ब्लॉक किया ना वो सुसाइड स्पॉट है मत जाओ तुम्हारा गर्लफ्रेंड साथ मत आना इधर
वो तो है
sorry
recording that
yeah it is on spontaneous yeah but actually I'm more of Instagrammer but I have a YouTube channel too Fitex Foodie in YouTube and Instagram it's Manoj Maruti 29
saw you coming from there. We are with the foreign guest.
oh, okay
I just saw you coming from there. You was recording that time. So
I'm from Bangalore
we are from the wedding team.
oh nice
Contact you if we come in Bangalore because we visit.
no because of the scenarios I've decided not to get married only
I also suggest that post to everyone not to get married and not to come with.
and how come you're being a wedding planner and telling people like that you're losing out of your business no
It's okay. I don't mind losing this. Just there.
sorry I didn't get your name
Nadia.
Nadia nice meeting you
Bye guys.
bye
भाई आपने इस पॉइंट को हाईलाइटेड कर दिया इधर आके
इधर ही है ना नहीं भाई आप ऊपर था भाई वो guys let me show you the death spot or the suicide spot. Come. This is a suicide spot of the Golconda Fort, and literally I don't fear or get scared because I'm all alone here. And even if you want to enjoy this spot like me, you have to come alone or with your boys. Never ever come with your girlfriend, or you will get pushed away like Keaton by his girlfriend. And sorry to say this, and girls who get offended by this reel, that means you don't love your partner. If you do, please take care of him. And look at the depth, guys. Look at the depth. Oh, the security people are shooing me. They're whistling. Huh? Time ho gaya, aa jao. Centuries ago, kings stood here looking over their kingdom. Today, it's one of the best views of Hyderabad. History isn't just something you read about. Sometimes you can walk through it. Oh. Guys, this is how in olden days all the soldiers used to attack, take the ball, chick, aim, shoot. हाँ? शो अभी है 7 बजे का ना टाइम कितना है अभी 20 minutes है
देखना है तो ऐसे जाना है तो ऐसे जाना है
हाँ this light show happens here at 7 p.m. This looks like annual function in the old schools. You know, there's to put chairs and make all the parents sit.